Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a series of episode on topics that we find we want to talk about. So this is the first episode of the podcast, and it will be about homeschooling, right, guys?
Yeah.
So do anyone to go want to go first?
Yeah, I can go first. So, I'm Emma Hayat and I'm working on chip designing and currently I'm learning about C. Alright? So, anyone?
Yeah, sure. So Anand, do you want to go first?
Yeah. So, about my introduction, I am working on SDGs and women empowerment, mostly among women, because right now, these days, they are not empowered much. So, I have started a small foundation where I can spread awareness about women's rights and some SDGs, and also about living on Earth and uh, basically climate change. So yeah.
Okay. So about myself, I'm currently studying for O levels, and I'm mostly passionate about biology. And in biomedical, I want to do a research or find a problem solution thing. And I mostly value women's rights and poverty and quality education. So today, as we all know, this is just a casual chatting, and so today topic is going to be on homeschooling, right?
Yeah.
So, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear homeschooling?
So for me, like when you say homeschooling, for me it is like a student being independent.
Yeah.
Mostly. Like
Self-taught.
imagining that a
Well,
student is
yeah,
independent.
you said independence, right? But this is a real fact. In many houses, people don't consider this homeschooling, right? Parents teach their kids like in home, and they call, oh, this is homeschooling. Like
Which
they,
is
They
which
basically
is
teach
not them. That's
this
like
is
a
not a-
schedule for them.
basically
Basically,
yeah.
it is
And
not.
that's
Not labeled as
that's
homeschooling.
yeah, of course.
A student should be self-taught,
Yeah.
and that's what I call homeschooling.
Yeah, and the problem is that they do a different style. They say that we don't want to make them teach in school. The parents say that they want to make them study in home, but they use the same style used in school, the same attitude used in school.
Basically,
So
they decide the subjects.
yeah,
They decide the subjects for the student. They decide their timetable. But if you like work on work on yourself by yourself, and not by someone else, it is much better.
yeah,
Because you make your own timetable and you choose your own career, and which is good. And you have a like a control on yourself. You can like then going in your 20s, you can then manage everything. But the thing about homeschooling is that it's not that easy. In school, you have full schedule, right? They say you have to come at this time, you have to do this, you have to do this. In home, you have to make that schedule by yourself. Yeah. And this not easy. And also you have to choose subject that you will like basically your career.
Guys, I think we forgot to tell them that we are also homeschooled.
Yeah.
Actually, we are homeschooled, and it's
For
our
whole like with 2005 it will be a whole 2 years.
two or
Two
two and a
years,
half, 2.5.
We started in 2024 February.
And actually, the in our environment or school that we studied, many students were against that homeschooling is not that good, right?
Our
But
society
after we did homeschooling, some of our classmates also transitioned to homeschooling,
Yeah.
if I'm correct. So yeah, there's a lot of benefit in homeschooling.
And in 2025, homeschooling was started a lot in December in Pakistan mostly.
Yeah. there are a lot of people that I have heard are doing homeschooling, but
After
they
taking a review from us, like
yeah, yeah,
our
but
relatives,
some of them have started way before us, but they are
they are
doing it wrong.
they are using the wrong method
But
for
guys,
years.
Yes,
let's
and
give
like
some
imagine for
tips
5 years.
to the students about
Yeah.
homeschooling,
yeah,
so they can also grow in homeschooling.
yes.
Like some of the people have started from 5 years, which is and using the wrong method for five
Yeah.
years,
Yeah.
which is very
So of course you won't
Then
have
you should-
any growth.
yeah.
Mhm.
Then you should like it's just wrong. It is just a waste of time because you don't see any updates and you don't see any change in your child after 5 years. But if you do with right method and even for 1 year you will see a lot of change
Mhm.
and development. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the next question, I think we should talk about pros and cons of homeschooling.
This is just a casual chat, so we can talk wherever comes in homeschooling. So, guys, I wanted to say that actually homeschooling, do you need anything?
What do you mean by that? Like, what do I need?
No, I'm just this is just a friendly chat. So
Like, so.
so so let's have a friendly conversation, guys.
So what was the question?
Okay, so what does it mean to be an homeschool student?
So the thing is that I want to do homeschooling, and then I want to get a scholarship
Mm-hmm.
to countries like Taiwan, TSMC,
Mm-hmm.
you know. So that's
Yeah,
what it's
I
for me.
think the problem is that parents won't let their children be independent.
Many.
And
Yeah, many.
so that's not called homeschooling.
Of course, that's not called homeschooling. They just want to try their methods and their experience. And as our father said,
Yeah.
that in the last generation, the experience was good for their era, right?
Yeah.
And for us, there will be new experience for new era, right?
Mhm.
So that's the thing. You can't just repeat your mistakes that you have done to your child,
Mhm.
right? So
You need to give your child independence.
Yeah,
You need
and
to give.
give your child independence that what subjects do you want to choose, what schedule do you want to make, what interest do you
And-
extracurriculum and even academic. Yeah.
And the thing about homeschooling is that most parents think that if the kids are studying at home, they will be less expensive, right? Because in school they give
no, yeah, many
Yeah.
people think that
Yeah.
if we homeschool our child, they think they're gonna have less expensive
but
with more benefits.
yeah, but in homeschooling
That's
it's
not
more
the case.
expensive. You need to give your child
Tell them, buddy.
you need to give your child the equipments they
Mhm.
need so they can do homeschooling.
Basically, if equipments for podcasting, equipments for extracurriculum.
For every experience, for example, you have to buy your child a phone so they can network, they can
Yeah.
communicate. You have to buy your child
Yeah,
a laptop because it's a really important device.
for meetings,
yes.
for other things.
You can join also by homeschooling. You can join different communities and even
Yeah.
international communities that you are.
Plus,
Your child can be in a diverse community and with people from different culture from different countries, and this is what homeschooling is like spending more time in like international with international students with students who have taken scholarship, and you basically you do work out of the box.
Mhm.
There's not same in school basically.
Yeah.
So that's what I wanted to get at.
Okay, so
Go.
what we have talked about homeschool, right? But this was basically our target was basically the parents. Now we will talk about homeschooling, but we will keep in mind that this will be for the students that
Okay.
will be doing homeschooling. So guys, go on.
For the students who will do homeschool, like will
Yeah. Basically, students that are like
do
us.
want to, like
Yeah.
so
Mhm.
yeah, you can.
Okay. So basically, I think many students assume that there will be fun in homeschooling, no homework and no nothing, just fun and games all day.
Well,
But that's not the case.
well, you can do that if you want to,
If you want to,
but that will lead to failures or.
but there is a consequence
Yeah.
to face that, and it's your future. It's your future, so
I have talked to an international, like someone who is from Egypt, and basically the student was telling that I want to do homeschooling because it's fun. You gotta wake up late and just play games.
yeah.
And he was in ninth grade, so I was like, no, please.
Okay,
It is more traumatic.
let's talk about the fun side of homeschool. Then we will talk about the
Traumatic.
side
Loving
of
side.
homeschool.
Yeah,
So,
and
the fun part is
not like you will just need to skip the dramatic part, but you need to go through this in every academic journey in scholarship. Even when you go in like your 20s, you will face the dramatic side of academics.
yeah.
Like,
So
that's basically
that's come in everything. So the fun side of homeschooling is that you don't have to wake up early, right, guys? We usually wake up so late.
But you also have to stay up all night.
Yeah, you can
and work.
So no, we are talking about the fun side of homeschooling.
Okay.
So don't scare them, please.
But
So
if you want to wake up early, you can wake up early. If you don't want to, you can just
yeah, so that's the fun side of homeschooling.
basically if you wake up early, you can do like studying and most of the extracurricular things.
But you
have more time.
you don't have to necessarily wake
Yeah.
up at 7 o'clock
Yeah.
and get ready and go to
And
school.
even
And
bus.
plus,
even
there's one more thing.
even at 5 o'clock.
There's no one to force you to do a thing like in school.
No. But Emma, the thing is that our parents are a bit different from other parents,
Yeah.
right? So some of parents are very strict and they want their child
Asian
to
parents.
yeah.
Exactly. And now there's
That's the basic problem in Asia.
and now there's another one that called homeschooling.
Mhm.
I'm talking about homeschooling.
Yeah.
Like actual homeschooling. So the fun side of actual homeschooling is that there's no one to actually force you to do a thing.
Yeah.
But I will go more into detail in that, and I will also say that in the struggling side of homeschooling, because this is a bad thing plus a good thing.
Yeah.
Never mind. I was talking about the dramatic side.
So what are the other fun things that we usually experience in homeschooling?
So if you like in school, you will not you can just not choose the subjects you want to study in the field you want to go in school. Basically, it just so dramatic that like it just so sad that you need to study the subject you don't want to, but
yeah.
even you don't have the option to study your favorite subject or go to your
But I
favorite
think
field.
that we also do that in homeschooling because in all
Yeah,
levels.
yeah, but it's in O level. But in school, you can like for me, I'm studying astronomy, and you just can't choose astronomy in Pakistan in school, which is
Yeah.
absolutely dramatic.
But guys, what about the students which are in Pakistan, which want to pursue their study in Pakistan?
Well, yeah, you are right. But
they can do homeschooling, like they can give to all levels, and even they can do metric and go in their field. So it's not hard.
But I think that for students that want
It's hard, I mean, but
yeah, they
it's
want
not
to,
impossible.
if they want to do metric, I think that it will be a
Metric
little
or
hard
O-level.
for them since metric isn't that independent. So
But later after metric, you can go.
The other thing about homeschooling is that in school, what happens is that there are 7 subjects or 8 subjects.
Mhm.
So in every 1 hour, 2 hours, you're going to study a different subject,
Yeah,
right? In homeschooling, let's say
Yeah.
I have a book here about programming.
Yeah.
I have this book, right? So if I was studying a book like mathematics in school, I will be studying 1 hour of mathematics, and
So
I'm not
you can deeply focus on one subject,
okay. Yeah,
if right?
yeah. In homeschooling, you can understand the subject for the whole day,
Yeah.
and that's more good because
Yeah, because
you can understand it in more detail.
Yes, that's the thing. Another fun thing about homeschooling in my experience
Is that extracurricular?
yeah, but I was going to say another thing
Yeah.
is that um you can have you can oh sorry
It's okay if you forget.
so the time that we waste while we are at school, for example, the travel to home to school,
Yeah.
that is a waste of
Rest
time.
of time.
So
Like, and then you come, you just sleep. Like,
yeah,
you just-
the distance to coming from school to home, the
This waiting the time like when
a
someone
teacher, the teacher comes basically.
yeah, and the waiting for the teacher.
so
And then
we consume that time in our whole homeschooling time by doing something productive, by doing something you love, by things that activity that we love. So I think that is
Yeah, and you can. I'm just talking about the extracurriculums. Like, if you want to choose volleyball, you can. Just,
yeah.
You can just do it in your home, like
Yeah.
practice, and
And you don't have to go such progress
like,
to like in school we go to such progress. Teacher, can I join this club? And then in
yeah.
5 days you are still not in that club.
you are
And
not
plus
in that,
it's-
you
it
need to
takes some
register
money.
and
Yeah.
even when you
it takes
register,
more money.
they just
Yeah, and coming to the money, school expensive, ask money for unnecessary
Yeah,
things.
and you can spend it.
I was in school. I was in the cheerleading club, like not in cheerleading, but it was most like military training in PE. So our school was army school, military school basically. So they gave military training. So for that you need to be selected, and I was in for that for from 4th grade to 7th grade, and the teacher was not supporting me yet. I was in
They don't
I
care.
want,
They just want that paycheck.
yeah,
Yeah.
I want to get into that, but when I get into that club, so the teacher was like not supporting me at all. She just made it so traumatic for me that like whenever I go for the military training, the PE training, the teacher told me to sit in class, and the PE teacher was angry like, this is for like 4th grade to 7th grade. This was like traumatic so much, and I did finish the PE training. Like it was so dramatic. Like I knew they didn't support you at all. Like
They
one
just-
was telling to
They
pay
just
money.
want the high numbers in the reports of school.
Yeah.
Right?
And I got like 70%, which like I don't care now. But at the time they made it like you will feel like you did a crime, but it is basically a like a part of your life. They didn't tell you that. So like including that, I was in for so many years, and like they just looked at my percentage and they said you gonna drop out of the B military training, and it was like so for so many years. So it was like
So,
very-
and also, the thing just Masha said that in schools they take your money for unnecessary things.
Yeah.
And what I'm saying is that in homeschooling, you can spend that money on good
your-
things like your equipment, many other things. Why spend it on
because-
unnecessary things?
Such as usually school ask. I don't think if it applies to all school, but usually in Pakistani school they ask you for stationery, right? They
Yeah.
tell you to buy this stationery, which is a very
which
big
is,
list.
I can say it is a scam.
Yeah, and when you give the school that stationery, and one day this is like arts class,
Yeah.
and you ask the teacher, Teacher, can I get a
Pencils?
scissors or pencil?
Yeah, which is like you
And-
need, which is like basic need you need.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
the
and
start.
teacher
Yeah.
and teacher be like,
Oh
which
damn, I don't
pencil?
know which pencil.
Which pencil are you talking about? Oh, that was for other things, not for your.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they be like
necessities.
they are for our like they basically tell you that they are ours,
Yeah.
not yours.
So if I am not
And
wrong,
they and
there at least
favoritism
we.
favoritism is so much like so much normal in schools.
Yeah, yeah, the
They
teacher
will,
pet.
yeah, and they will,
Yeah.
the teacher will give the stationery to just the
Yeah.
favorite student, which is
I think
which is traumatic for other students. Like they will be like it is so traumatic that seeing teacher have favorite students, which is so weird.
And the thing is that I don't think the gives the stationery to any student. They just take that stationery to
Yeah.
their home and give it to their child.
Yeah, mostly.
And that's
Like I was
disappointing.
when I was in school, like when I was in school in 2000, like from years, I was from kindergarten to 7th grade. So I just see like mostly teachers will just open the cupboard and take the